So here is exactly how to reset Apple Watch. You can do it from the watch itself or from your iPhone. For this video, I'll be using the iPhone and the Watch app. So let's first open up the Watch app on your phone. So once you're in the Apple Watch app, you will get to see an interface just like this. You can view many different options for your watch and also all the apps connected with your Apple Watch. For our purpose, we will need to select the general option. After that, you'll be brought to this page right over here. Now, you need to scroll down and find the option that says Reset, which you will find on the very bottom. After you find it, tap on it. So once you're in the Reset section, you need to select the option that says Erase Apple Watch Content and Settings, which will then reset the Apple Watch. After that, just confirm by tapping on Erase All Content and Settings on the bottom. And that's it. That is exactly how to reset Apple Watch.